today, kasama natin ang beauty queen maker, but he's not just a beauty queen maker. Jonas Cafut is also a talent manager that handles some of the biggest stars in the Philippines. Let's talk about that. Jonas, marami ka ng mga talent sa Pilipinas. Ilan ang mga talent mo?
Kami.
Madami.
Well, I have kasi I have Brazilians.
Talents,
now.
actors,
yeah.
okay.
And then yung mga, some are just starting. May showbiz career naman, nasa 8 years pa lang, 7 years. Noong una yung beauty pageant.
Okay. Some of the most biggest stars that you manage, Daniel Matsunaga. Ang gwapo nun!
Yeah. So, meron siyang bagong lead teleserye ngayong January darating.
Okay.
And then we have Fabio Ide sa kabila naman sa GMA7.
Okay, so what does it take to be a talent manager? Ano yung mga challenges nun, Jonas?
Oh, dapat alam mo. Why do you challenge as talent?
Hindi ako pa-diva. Sorry, pero I'm sure, you know, it's a lot to manage talent.
Sobra.
Because sa Pilipinas, ikaw lahat, di ba?
It's very stressful. But my agency kasi, we have fashion, we manage fashion, commercial, and then showbiz.
Okay, so this is the Mercator,
yeah,
right?
Mercator Artist and Model Management.
Okay, so if gustong mag-artista ng mga kababayan, pwede ba sila mag-submit sa'yo? Ganon rin ba? Pwede mong tanggihan?
Pwede kong tanggihan. Pagkaya ko pa. I mean, yun sa pageants, mas madali kasi you train them for a certain time. Some pag-showbiz kasi, full-time. So medyo iba-iba sila ng ugali. Yung mga artists, iba-iba ng needs and wants. So,
at isa ka lang, but I'm sure you have a team
my
that
staff,
help.
yeah. But,
okay.
And I also co-manage with big stations.
Okay. Let's just say a beauty queen decides, nanalo siya, gusto niya mag-artista. Ano
Ayan
yung...
sila.
Ayan, sila.
Si Sham, si Venus, Ara.
And you still manage them?
Yes.
Okay.
Si Janine kasi stayed in the US.
Yes, she is here. Oo. Kailangan ba mistisa? Kasi tingnan mo naman ang ganda. Pero mistisa, pag hindi Pilipino ang tumingin sa itsura ni Bianca, you don't look Filipino. Kailangan ba mistisa?
Hindi naman, pero basta, siguro, I guess, they should be charming na parang kakagatin ng masa.
Ano ba yung type ng masa? Kasi alam mo yan.
Ganun nga. Medyo, artist tayo ng mukha. I mean, kahit naman hindi tisay, no? Pero usually in the Philippines, gusto nila maputi.
Oo. Ako, gandang-ganda naman ako sa Pinay na talagang
ako din, oo.
Brown na brown ang skin, di ba?
Pero like, ang hirap ng beauty queen na tall, tas Pinay na Pinay, unless, siguro magsisexy siya.
Okay. Okay,
pero
so...
medyo mahirap nga.
Mahirap, no?
Meron pang... They look at may stereotype ang beauty queens na parang they somehow think na stiff, na parang yung graceful lang lagi.
Oo.
Di ba dati mga beauty queens pang leading lady lang?
Oo. Ngayon hindi na, di ba? Okay, so Bianca, getting into showbiz, why is this something that you wanted to pursue aside from being in the beauty pageant circuit?
Actually, right now, I'm trying to focus on modeling. I've been trying to do a lot of fashion shows. And because I think it just gives you this platform. I used to work for an NGO before I joined pageants. And the reason why I joined a pageant is because I wanted to have a more influential platform so I could, portray my message, reach more people. And this is why I'm trying to enter the showbiz world. Because this is when people look at you and they listen to you and they really have an interest on what you have to say. And it's a way for you to change lives in different aspects. So that's why I think I'm shifting now from being a beauty queen to getting into showbiz, just so I can keep that influential platform, I guess. Okay.
Well, let's face it, no? Maraming nagsasabi, kapag beauty queen ka, ay tingin sa'yo ng mga ibang tao, para kang, let's put it bluntly, no? Parang you're a slab of meat put on that stage for everybody to look at. We want to talk about the issues of being in the beauty pageant scene. And, you know, a lot of people say that...
Pa-issue pala dito.
Meron kasi, meron mga taong nagsasabi na parang, ay, you're objectifying women. When we return, Jonas will answer that beauty queen question.
Hindi, we're ready.